What's up, guys? Leo Pazzo TV. Thanks very much for joining me in NAB 2025. I'm gonna go around a couple of the booths over here, check out some products, share it with you guys, so come along with me, let's check it out.
All right, so welcome to the Portkeys booth. We're at NAB 2025. I'm with my boy Lenny. Let me show you what's new. So right here we have the, this is not this one, but we have the LH7P. So for all you Sony users, FX3, FX30, and you always wanted touch control, you can now have it with the LH7P. But just say you are a working professional and you need something better and more efficient for you. You need the SDI. Well, hold on, I got you covered. Follow me over here. Yes, so we got the BM72DS. This one has two SDI, SDI in, SDI out. We have an HDMI in, HDMI out. It's wireless. It can control all your cameras. These are going to control your RE cameras or your red cameras here. And this is the smaller version of this, the BM54WR. This one is going to be 2,000 nits for all you people that want to be outside to have that nice, bright, high bright monitor. And this one is 2,200 nits, and it's a 7-inch. That's what the 7 stands for right there. But that's not all. You have two NPFs that's going to be on the back. This one has SDI in and SDI out and HDMI at the very bottom of here. You have a new menu system, and it's using the new Cine Norm OS or UI system. The more entry level ones that's over here are running the Move Norm UI system. So these are going to be this is going to be running like $399, and then these two right over here. This one don't have a price up right now, but this one right here is, I think, $349, and this is 2,200 nits. It says 2,000, but when you look here on the back, it says 2,200 nits, right? So this monitor right here will control your Sony cameras, your FX3s, and stuff like that. But if you are an FX6 user, this monitor right here, this LS7P, will control your variable ND filter right in camera. You don't ever have to touch the back of your camera. So that is going to be freaking amazing. And that is not it. Once they update this software for the LS7P, if you add 2 or 3 more monitors, you'll be able to control those 3 monitors no matter what camera it is with one monitor. And I believe you'll be able to view it from the monitor too. That is insane. Portkeys 2025, come see us. And if you're not, go to the website and go to the Instagram, and we'll see you in my next one. Boom.